Quality control in precision machining industry. In the precision machining industry, there are a good number of aspects to consider in order to achieve the best possible results. Otherwise, the word precision would be irrelevant. Today we see the role played by the bench hardness tester in this sector. The hardness of the material is in fact very important, in addition to the dimensional requirements of a piece, usually with narrow dimensional tolerances. Then, controlling all the necessary aspects to achieve high precision and to comply with the requirements of the part being manufactured while keeping repeatability is an essential activity for the players in the precision machining industry. How to control material hardness in precision machining? The answer to this question is by means of a hardness tester. As we discovered in a recent survey, hardness testers are commonplace among different industrial sectors. Of course, the purpose and how to control material hardness varies from one sector to the other, which is why there are different types tests. Hardness testing allows you to assess important properties such as strength, ductility and wear resistance, which is why it is very important for precision machining. Now, from all the options to test and control material hardness in precision machining, the best is using bench hardness testers. Bench hardness testers are the most specialized instruments in the market, normally providing high accuracy and repeatability, the main requirements of precision machining. The test is performed by indenting the part being tested by applying a constant load over a specific period of time on an indenter. The shape, the size, the material and the mass of the indenter determine the hardness scale read by the instrument. Bench hardness testers provide the precision machining industry the following benefits. Possibility of using indenters of different sizes, shapes and materials. Possibility to work with different standards and scales. How is complying with tight dimensional tolerances possible in precision machining? Apart from working with the best machine tools and having trained machinists, precision machining companies need to have the possibility to verify the dimensions of the parts after the machining process is finished. While calipers and other measuring instruments can be used, they require high expertise from the operator to achieve accurate and repeatable measurements. Moreover, some geometries may be complex with some angles and other shapes that make the measuring process more challenging. Therefore, a good solution to make the verification process of final dimensions and tight dimensional tolerances is using gauge blocks. A gauge block consists in a worked parallelepiped to obtain two opposing parallel faces, spaced apart by a precise altitude, nominal thickness. These blocks provide the following benefits for the precision machining industry: possibility to use them in series with arithmetic progressions which can be combined to create other gauges. Possibility to use them as a template. Possibility to perform go-no-go controls for dimensional compliance. No need to use other measuring instrument. Good resolution for dimensional tests. Hardness and dimensional compliance at Nuova Artigiani. E. Tranquilli SRL. Nuova Artigiani. E. Tranquilli SRL is a company dedicated to provide precision machining services while ensuring high quality and repeatability. The company was founded in 2019, but it counts on the 20 years of experience of its founders, Paolo Artigiani and Massimo Tranquilli. Since the foundation, they have strived towards excellence by working with the best providers in their sector, boasting a 600 square meters infrastructure that includes a workshop with top-notch technology for precision machining. Now, they have taken another step to guarantee hardness and dimensional compliance to the most demanding clients. For hardness tests, they have recently chosen Sama Tools Rockwell Bench Hardness Tester, SAB 150, a bench hardness testers that ticks all the boxes for the requirements of precision machining as it offers maximum accuracy and repeatability. Moreover, they have also chosen our gauges block set consisting on a series of gauge blocks to verify compliance to the tightest tolerances in the market. With these two decisions, at Nuova Artigiani, E. Tranquilli SRL can be sure they will be complying with the highest standards while take advantage of simplicity. They do not require the operator to have a lot of experience. Almost anyone can work with these instruments. High accuracy, a must in precision machining. Verifiability, proper calibration provided. Regarding the final characteristic, we provide a calibration service which includes laboratory test reports and/or accredia calibration certificates for our own instruments or equipment already possessed by our customers. You can learn more about this service by contacting us. Final thoughts. Apart from hardness testers and gauge blocks, we offer a wide variety of non-destructive testing tools for different purposes. Because our mission is to support our customers in their quality control activities, we strive to provide them with the best solutions to cover their needs. Go immediately on our website to download them or request the paper shipment. Nuova Artigiani. eTranquilli SRL is a good example that customer satisfaction is our main goal, and we would be more than happy to see you becoming one of them. So, if you need help with hardness control and dimension compliance, or would like advice on the best instrument for your specific case, do not hesitate to contact our technical department.